Hello friend, for this video I would like to make a simple test for the vacuum function of the new finished 10 liters model knitter mixer, 2 sets. And before the vacuum test start, I must do some work. For example, we must fasten the 4 bolts on the 4 corners, on the top lid corners. And there are 2 valves, one connected with pipe and then connected with vacuum pump. We must keep this valve opened. And this is a vacuum release valve. We must close it like this. And then we can start the vacuum pump and check the vacuum meter. Now all the work, preparing work, had finished, and I start the vacuum pump. And then we focus on the vacuum meter change. Now we can see the vacuum degree is increasing. The voice is a vacuum pump working voice on the back side. We just keep to wait, please, patience. Now the mixer is empty, with no material in the actual working station. Once the mixer chamber filled with some material, the vacuum increasing speed will be faster. Also in this situation, we can see the vacuum degree increasing quickly. Now it is reached the M0.09 vacuum degree and increasing continuously. It is no problem. It has reached the designed degree. We just wait for a while. Oh, I think it is no problem. So I would like to close it, and then we close this valve and check. No change and no leakage voice, air leakage voice with the mixer. You can check the meter, no problem. So this is a simple test for the 10 liters model knitter mixer vacuum function, no problem. This is from Kabiya Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.